All right, so welcome back to This Is Bellotti. Where I left off last was I am resealing these. I started one, but then I needed some more stuff, so I kind of left off there. So, there's a state of my bike right now from Forks, so I gotta get this one back up and running so I could get her back to the home. Here's this part. There's that. I need these and this. So I needed this, which is just a bolt. Because this one goes here, like so, bam, and then this one, oh no, oh dang it, so that's not gonna work. Oh man, come on. So I need to have an extension to be able to compress this spring and add the rest of the stuff without this going down. And if this does go down, I need to be able to bring it back up. And I was hoping this would have done it, but this fucking shit, damn it. So that's not gonna work. Let's get this shit out. There's the new seals. I got this, which goes here, so blah 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 blah. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Let me get my tools. And now I gotta finish this bike so I can get her back over there. So this is my tool setup. I have all my tools right here that I use to fix any problems. Tools, I got more here. Okay, so we are. Let's see how that goes down. I need to compress all this still while trying to access that. So I seen this on the internet. Oh, now I still gotta put this in there. So yeah, do this here. Because then that's gonna fuck shit up. There it is. That's what I need right there. This I believe was okay. That's that. Oh, yep. That goes here. That goes there. And that is it right there. Booyah! So that's it right there. Now we slowly take these off, which is not gonna happen. Shit. There's one, and fuck it. Bam! There's two. Take that sucker off, motherfucker. I need. So I got this shit. I had to do a little bit of research on how much oil I need, and it says 16.2 ounces, which is 480 milliliters. I don't have anything, so I found this. This has 8 ounces, so I need 2 of these per 1 fork. A little over 2 of these. I'm just gonna put 2 of these. That's the best way I could come up with the solution. Fill this up, see that? One. Oops, calm down. All right. There it goes. There's one down. All right, let's get this next one down. Ooh, yeah. Let's do these. What is this? Little skankies. All right, so now let's open this motherfucker up right here. Let's open this motherfucker up right here. Is okay. Should be good. Good enough for the bush. So let's do that in here. Okay. Get that down like that. There it reaches. You break this fucker loose. Right here. There we go. Was that it? Did I loosen that now? Yep. There it is. Boom. You got the little tube there. All right. So now that that's done, we release. Same dealio. Release, release, release. 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 Whappa. Whappa. And whappa. Take out the spring. If you look at the spring, there's a taper to it. You want to pay attention to that. So the taper goes up. But look at it. So you want to take out all that extra oil. So now, okay. So you want to clean all these. Screwdriver. seals. Got this little retaining. Boom. Retaining there, and then we pop this motherfucker. Whoop. And there she goes. Whoa. This washer. Back in, grab our seal. So yeah, I need to pop this in a little bit more. I know you shouldn't do it with this, but I have nothing else. But I'm hitting it right on the edge, not messing up with the lip. This is what seals, or wipes at least on this side, and on the other side it's this one that seals. But I am pushing up against the hard edge just to seat it a little bit better, because the retaining clip does not want to sit in its groove. So let's try that again. Let's see, it's not seating all the way. Let me see. Sweet. There you go. I'm gonna push that in. Same thing with this one. There it goes. Just a little bit. Let's do this. Let's just put this one right here like so. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, swipey. And then, oh, Dios mío. And now we fucking just fucking let this motherfucker just go in. Wow. And then we just go make that one go into. Oh, there it is. Wow. That was easy right there. And then we just put our cap back on there. And then we go ahead and put our little fucking spring up in that hoe bag. And now we do the same fucking chingadera as we did last time. We're putting this fucking thing. Okay, boom. Okay, that's it. There we go. We're fully fucked. It's coming. Wow. There it is. Perfect. Fuck it. Boom.
So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this video. Stay tuned for the next part 2. Took longer than I thought just to get these forks resealed. But yeah, next step is going to be slapping them on, getting them on, and then probably going to have to clean the carbs. And that's it. See you on the next one.